Okay, this is what I was talking about. Commodore. I'm going to go VN at this stage just for simplicity, because it could be a VP. I've got this little number will help us a lot. Right, see if I can read it. I will take a picture of this. I think it's K19L443071. That probably doesn't tell us everything. I thought that might at least tell us a date. That doesn't have a date, so there could be something in here. There's your V6. This is quite a complete car. This would be the most complete car that I've ever seen out here. And how long it's been here? It's been here for ages. We've got a door. It's a different colour door, but maybe that door belongs right there. Whoops, bump. Oh, there's the different colour there. Okay, there's the door. Okay. Now, here is a big hole. So what I've got to do is be careful, or I'll be out here crying out for help to anybody within earshot. Okay, look at the, let me take my bag off. There's always something slipping around. I've made the mistake before of having a bag over my shoulder, and I've wasted footage because the strap was rubbing on my mic, and that mic was put there to solve all my audio problems, and then I just was creating new ones. Okay, look at the life in here. There's no dash, there's the wheel, obviously. Automatic. I kind of feel sorry for this car because it's not... Oh, look at that. Was that a problem with Holden of this era? They've welded the hinges back on. Crazy. Door trim. Okay, probably not that much to see. There's your shifter. Handbrake's on. That's good. Won't go anywhere. That's not funny. Okay. Console there. Wood lining collapsed. Who would have thought? There's your split rear seat in the back there. It's got some seat covers with hearts on it. So definitely 90s seat covers, I think. I'm going to try to get down under there. Or am I crazy? I don't know. Right. It's got wheels. Let's do... No. They're flat. Okay. Just mucking around here now, aren't I? Alright, I'm going to try and get down to the back. A tree had fallen on it at some stage, and there too. I'll get my things and find the best way around. It's really a bit of a coin toss which way I go. Yeah, there's some holes around here. I'd hate to do an ankle. And here, I'm going to go down low and go around. See, there's another little gully all across here. That's just shallow trenches. Oh yeah, that's Subaru's. Oh, that's a Brumby. Oh, now I get it. That's a Brumby. Huh. Well, Brumbies were pretty common, so it makes sense as well. There it is. Brumby with an umbrella tree growing through the middle. Oh, I'm going to have to go all the way back around to where I was before. Just push. And don't knock your mic off. All right. Okay. Here we are at the back. Now, put my things down and get a look at this. Alright, boot lid's gone. Tow bar, broken taillight. Yeah, wheels off there. There is a wheel or a tyre under there at least, but yeah, there's your differentials in there. Yeah, dogs are barking. Here's your other taillight. And I'm sure it's not in perfect condition, otherwise it wouldn't be here. I mean, it's usable. I don't think there's a crack in the reflector, but there's a bit of a crack, but that's, at a pinch, that would be a good taillight. Break off some small things. All right, down there. Nothing much to see. All the windows are broken. Okay, but I'd imagine that taillight is good. And if this was a rare car, which, you know, not really a rare car still, there'd be a nice 4-speed gearbox in it, I reckon. The other thing I wanted to show you was something else as well. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah. It's a tree. I don't want to go the long way. Oh no, maybe I can just get a leg over there. I'm not that short where I can't do that. If I fall, I'll just edit it out, won't I? Oh yeah, look, there's some holes under this thing, jeez. Okay, see, I didn't fall. Where was I? Am I going to stand in there and get a shot underneath? I think I am. I'll get my torch. I need some sort of thing where I can have all my tools sort of attached to me. You know, I'm the only one here, so it wouldn't really be that bad. Let's see if I can go turbo. That one. There we are. I think that's turbo. Oh, I missed that. Don't even know why I bothered trying. Oh, then 2 hits. Boom, there we are, turbo. Right. What they'd call a light turbo, I don't know, unless I'm just imagining that's what it was. Alright. Underneath. Yeah. There's a gearbox that hasn't really hit ground or anything, for them probably being a bush basher as it was. Oh, the catalytic converter's gone. Alright, so someone had a job cut out if they had to get under there. But I understand they're worth a lot of money. Alright, I guess there's really not as much to this car as I thought. But, you know, still complete, the most complete car that I know of at this time. Okay. Well, I'm just going to step, oh, don't blind yourself, gee. Oh, it's not pleasant. Now all I can see is three little circles. All right, I'm going to call that it for my little part 2 of this area. So I'll just say thanks again for watching. See ya.